For centuries, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? This universe is vast and mysterious, filled with billions and trillions of stars. Could it be that some of these stars also have planets like ours, where there is life? The search for life in other worlds is one of the biggest scientific endeavors of our time. Recent discoveries have brought us closer to answering this age-old question. Astronomers have discovered thousands of planets near distant stars called exoplanets. Some of these planets are in the habitable zone, the region around a star where the temperature is just right for liquid water. As we know, water is essential for life as we know it, which is why these planets in the habitable zone are the most important in the search for alien life. One such planet, Kepler-22b, has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. This intriguing world, 600 light-years from Earth, offers a glimpse into the possibility of life beyond our solar system. Finding planets around other stars is not easy. These distant worlds are very faint and difficult to see in the glare of their stars. To tackle this challenge, NASA launched the Kepler Space Telescope in 2009. Kepler's mission was to stare at one patch of sky, monitoring the brightness of over 100,000 stars. This telescope was looking for tiny dips in starlight that happen when a planet passes in front of its star, called a transit. By measuring the depth and duration of these transits, astronomers could determine the planet's size and orbital period. Kepler was very successful, discovering thousands of exoplanet candidates, including Kepler-22b. This remarkable mission revolutionized our understanding of planetary systems and paved the way for future exoplanet discoveries. Kepler-22b was one of the first planets discovered by the Kepler telescope that lies within the habitable zone of its star. This super-Earth, with a radius about 2.4 times larger than Earth's, orbits a Sun-like star called Kepler-22, located in the Cygnus constellation. Kepler-22b completes one orbit around its star in about 290 days, which is a little shorter than an Earth year. Its distance from the star places it within the habitable zone, where temperatures could be suitable for liquid water. However, the presence of water is not confirmed. Kepler-22b's actual surface temperature depends on factors like its atmosphere and surface reflectivity, which are currently unknown. The possibility of water on Kepler-22b raises the exciting question of whether life could exist on this distant world. Life as we know it requires water for biochemical reactions. It also needs a source of energy, like sunlight or chemical reactions, and a stable environment. The presence of these things on Kepler-22b is not certain, but the possibility is exciting. Scientists are eager to learn more about Kepler-22b's atmosphere and composition, which could provide clues about its habitability. Future telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, will be able to analyze the light passing through Kepler-22b's atmosphere, which could reveal the presence of water vapor, methane, or other biosignatures that could indicate the presence of life. We don't yet know if there is life on Kepler-22b, but it's fascinating to imagine what it might be like there. If the planet has an atmosphere similar to Earth's, the sky might be blue during the day, just like ours. However, the star Kepler-22 is a bit cooler and redder than our Sun, so the sunlight on Kepler-22b would be a bit orange. The planet's large size and mass would also affect its gravity, which could make it difficult for large, complex organisms to evolve. Despite all this, Kepler-22b reminds us that there are countless worlds beyond our own, each with its own unique characteristics and possibilities. The discovery of Kepler-22b and other exoplanets has ushered in a new era of astronomical exploration. The search for life beyond Earth is no longer just science fiction, it's a vibrant field of scientific inquiry. As technology advances, we can expect to discover even more exoplanets, including planets even more Earth-like than Kepler-22b. Future missions will focus on characterizing the atmospheres of these distant worlds, searching for biosignatures that could provide definitive proof of extraterrestrial life. Are we alone? The quest to answer this question is far from over, but the journey is filled with wonder, excitement, and the promise of groundbreaking discoveries.